Welcome to another episode of Smartphone Family History with Chris Knudsen. This year we are doing the Smartphone Family History Challenge. The goal is to add 365 new records to your family tree in 2021. Today I'm going to show you how to find cousins that have record hints that need sources attached. So we're going to attach records to distant cousins. Let's get started. So we're going to click on the Family Tree app. Here we are in the fan chart view of my pedigree chart, and I'm going to find an ancestor in the 1700s. So let's go through my mom and my grandpa. Let's pick Sebron Johnson Golding. Still not in the 1700s, so I'm going to click the menu button in the top right corner, and we're going to click View This Tree. So now we're looking at the fan chart of Sebron Johnson Golding, and let's pick Fernie Green Norman Sr. Now, the neat thing about Family Search Family Tree app is that you can click on the menu button in the top right corner, and there's an option called Descendants with Tasks. So I'm going to click on that, and this gives me all of these cousins of mine that have the blue circle, which means a record hint. So there's possible records that need to be attached to all of these people. I'm going to scroll down and show you. Just under this one ancestor, there's a lot of people that have records that need to be attached. So when you go up to your ancestors in the 1700s and you click on, I'm going to do it again, Descendants with Tasks, there's always more work that needs to be done somewhere on your family tree. Let's go ahead and click on John H. Alexander first. And you see there that blue circle that appeared above his name. John was born in Wilson, Tennessee in 1851 and died in Durango, Colorado in 1928. His parents were John Charles Alexander and Sarah D. O'Neill. And his spouse was Alice Elizabeth Betty Belmere, and they had 2 children. So let's go back to details. So today we're going to attach this record. Let's see what the record hint is. We're going to click on that blue circle. And this is a United States 1920 census. So let's click on that. And this shows John H. Alexander, age 64, born in 1856, married to Alice E. Alexander. Currently living in La Plata, Colorado. Let's see, who was his wife? Alice E. Alexander. So let's go back and click on spouses. Alice E. Yep, okay, so that's her. So we'll click on that blue circle again, 1920 census. And we're going to scroll down and click Compare. So here we have the record on the left and the new information on the left. And then on the right we have what's the information found on Family Search. So we have John H. Alexander, that's the same. Birth is 5 years off, which isn't too strange for family census records. Scroll down, La Platte, Colorado, which is where he was living again in the you see on the right hand side, residence 1910, Animas, La Plata, Colorado. So he's still living in the same place, and his wife is still Alice E. And so we're gonna, yes, attach this record, but before we do that, I want to add this new residence. So we're going to click on this green arrow that brings that information over to Family Search. Now we're going to go down and click Yes, Attach. And we're going to review others. Click on that bottom right thing. And this is Alice E. Alexander, his wife. She was born in 1870, Arkansas. Interesting, that's different than what we have. So let's just take a look at that. So I'm going to click on Alice Elizabeth Betty Belmere, and that's going to bring me her information. And let's click on her sources. So in the 1870 census, it says that her birthplace was Arkansas. In the 1900 census, it has her birthplace as Arkansas. 1910 census, birthplace Arkansas. Okay, so let's go back. So why does this say Missouri? February 1869. Okay, let's see if we can find a record that shows that. So I'm going to just go back to the sources. Early marriages. No. Obituary. Doesn't list her birthplace in the obituary. So let's go back. So we don't know enough information, so we're not going to dispute that birthplace yet. So we're just going to attach that record. It is her, and she's attached to her husband. So we'll click yes, attach, and we are done. So we're going to click the back arrow and the back arrow, and back, and back, and back. So now we are left with all these other descendants of Fernie Green Norman Sr. who have record hints, which we will do another time. So today we showed you how to attach a record using the Descendants with Tasks button, and hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please click the like button, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to click the subscribe button so you can be subscribed to the Watch Me Do Family History channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.